Your collectivity is faced with a growing volume of data generated by water and energy networks. But what to do with this wealth of information? Deal Metering presents your data analysis solution. With our software solution, you can manage billing with confidence and make the most of your data to monitor your assets, manage your operations efficiently, detect water leaks, and create new services. All data are centralized in a single software solution: water, heat, gas, and electricity. This is true even if you manage a fleet of meters with several different communication technologies and combine remote reading with mobile reading. Our software adapts to your needs to provide a clear view of your data, enabling you to decide and act quickly. Automate your processes, connect your business tools, and customize your dashboard. Recurring tasks are under control, and you're free to focus on the essentials. Connect your teams, optimize rounds planning, and monitor performance. Set your alerts and be informed in the event of an anomaly. You can immediately locate incidents and organize interventions in the field. Synchronize your data with the mobile application that helps your customers monitor their consumption and alerts them in the event of a leak. And because confidentiality of your customers' information is important, their data is protected by our commitment to security and regulatory compliance. Deal Metering represents 60 million connected meters and 26 terabytes of data processed every day. It's the guarantee of transforming your data into knowledge, and this knowledge into actions.